Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you missed one day of the New Year's streak in Growy Garden. So you're just going to select that, show me the New Year's streak, and as you can see mine is expired. I'm just going to press recover. You do need to purchase it using Robux. 99 is a lot, but I guess I'll have to do it to claim the last, which is the Color Pop Crop Seed, which you are now able to claim. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.